Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of many central banks talking or taking action. But first, American consumer spending rose at a brisk pace in November as lower petrol prices gave their holiday shopping season a boost. A tightening labour market and lower jobless claims are starting to spur faster wage growth, which together with those lower petrol prices is helping to stimulate consumer spending. In Russia, their central bank raised interest rates overnight to 10.5% from 9.5%, the second hike in 6 weeks, as it seeks to control a surging inflation in their economy, and their economy really struggles under the sanctions and low oil prices. The rate rise action failed to halt the ruble's slide, however. In China, their central bank is ready to pump 400 billion yuan into their banking system in an effort to spur growth. That comes as their leadership revealed a willingness to accept a new normal of slower economic growth. Lower reserve ratios are coming too in response to yesterday's low inflation data. It seems odd to me, however, that lower oil prices don't seem to be helping the Chinese economy yet. In Australia overnight, their central bank chief said explicitly that he wants the Aussie dollar to fall to levels last seen a decade ago, about 75 US cents from the current 83 US cents. And says official interest rate cuts need to be delivered in a way that boosts confidence rather than remind people of their economy's woes. But he also downplayed more rate cuts soon. We don't often have share market news here, but for those who follow the growth of peer-to-peer lending, shares in Lending Club, the world's largest peer-to-peer lender, surged more than 65% to $24 a share in their New York Stock Exchange debut, valuing the firm at nearly $10 billion. Benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yields slipped again in New York today and are now at 2.19%. The oil price has fallen again, is now flirting with $60 a barrel, and the Brent price is just on $64 a barrel. Meanwhile, our currency rose sharply yesterday and bedded in overnight after the RBNZ monetary policy statement. We start today at 78 US cents, 94.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.